stop in the name of love. And kiss. They deserve another warm applause from everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, surrounded by family and friends, this is a beautiful celebration of love and a beautiful celebration of Thanksgiving. One more time, let's give our couple another round of applause, please. To our bride, you're just so beautiful as ever. Stay on the dance floor for a while. And to the very guapo groom, please proceed on stage right now because I will be requesting the brother of the bride, Mr. Daniel, to kindly have your beautiful sister on the dance floor. Let us all be seated. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the supposed traditional father and daughter dance, but let us honor the brother as well. Let's see that too.
Yes.